Hello and welcome to this Prosperity Central channel where we talk about how you can get more done in less time using the Prosperity Central system. My name is Jeff Osnes. I'll be your host. I'm your trainer. I'll be walking you through the topic today. Now, before we get into today's training topic, though, I do want to talk to you a little bit about this channel. The focus of this channel is on the sales process, the sales funnel to be more specific. We walk you through all of the things that you need to be focusing on to ensure that you're having success and that you always have a pipeline filled with people at every stage of the game. Now, I also want to point out that I do focus primarily on the home-based business industry, the network marketing or MLM industry, but that doesn't mean that this training isn't going to be helpful for you in any type of sales. Now, I want to give you a quick little overview of what Prosperity Central is. Prosperity Central is a contact management and follow-up system. It's designed to help you manage, organize, and follow up with your prospects in an effective and efficient way. And one more thing before we get into this, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you're not in sales, make sure you share this video with somebody who is in sales so that they can have more success building their check or their organization. So let's get into it. All right, so on today's training, what I want to focus on is the actual website that comes with your Prosperity Central marketing system. When you first sign up for a Prosperity Central account, there is a tab up here in the upper left-hand corner called Welcome, and that will take you through the welcome steps and walk you through how to configure and set up your account, which I'm not going to go through each of these steps. It's totally up to you when, if, and how you go through those steps. I'm going to assume that you've either already gone through that training because you have a Prosperity Central account already and you've been going through that, or when you get a Prosperity Central account, you're going to go through that first before you go through and start doing all of the other configurations that we focus on within this training. I didn't feel like there was a reason for me to go through and redo any of the welcome steps. They're phenomenal training, and I want you to go through those on your own. However, on this training, we are going to be doing a little bit of overlap because we're going to be talking about the marketing site, and you should have already done a little bit of configuration here, but we're going to specifically talk about the redirect links associated with the website that you get with Prosperity Central. So for those of you who are watching this and do not have a Prosperity Central account, let me show you what the marketing site looks like. If we go to the My Website tab, and I'm going to click on the preview button here, and that will take me to the actual marketing site. This marketing site was configured and set up and designed very specifically, very deliberate. See, the team behind Prosperity Central has been building custom marketing systems for network marketing companies and organizations for nearly 2 decades. They have built websites that are amazing. They've built websites that are just very simple. And they have driven millions and millions of people through capture pages and marketing sites and have a lot of information based off of how people interact with the marketing site, which they then used to decide how to build out the Prosperity Central marketing site. Now, we will be talking about all of what this marketing site has to offer, but what we're going to be focused on today is the Get Started tab right here. If you click on this, you get to control that redirect link. You get to control where that takes people. We're also going to talk about the Come Inside and Learn button right here. This is another redirect link. You click on that, you get to control where the prospect goes when they click on that specific button. So let's talk about how to adjust those links. So in your Prosperity Central account, we're going to click on the Customize Your Website link. Here you'll see several different steps. We're going to scroll down to the very bottom one, and we're going to go to step 5, set up your redirect links. As you can see here, I already have my links in here. These links should be used for you to direct people to your primary business. What business are you actually building? What is your network marketing or MLM business? What is your product or service? That's what you should be directing people to when they click on your Come Inside and Learn or Getting Started links. Now, what you decide to put in here is going to be completely up to you. What I recommend is that you go to your website. Now, I'm using the Prosperity Central marketing system as my primary business. As a lot of you already know, I do these videos promoting the Prosperity Central affiliate program. So I'm directing people to my affiliate link. So the primary business in my particular case is Prosperity Central. Now, what I recommend for you is that you go to your company website. You should have a website provided by your company. You should go to that website and then identify the specific page or pages that you'd want to direct somebody to when they click to come inside and learn. So it's up to you to decide which page within your actual website provided by your company that you want to direct people to. And it might be as simple as just sending them right to the home page. So let's say, for example, you're in Herbalife or Shackley or Young Living or any one of the hundreds of great companies out there. You want to take the website that you're receiving from the company. They're probably providing you with a storefront, a store site where people can go and actually purchase products from you. You want to take that website and you want to make sure that you add that at least to the step 2 link. That is the come inside and learn link. You want to add that there. Now, the getting started link does not have to be the same as the step 2 link. It can be different. And what I recommend is, if it's possible, that you try to find a link within your company's website that is as close to as the sign up page as possible, so that they can go straight into the actual purchasing of product, becoming a distributor, whatever your focus is on the marketing site. We'll get into more of the focus of the marketing site as we talk about featured movies and things like that. So take some time now to go out, look at your actual marketing site and identify which links, which page or pages you'd like to direct people to for, once again, let's go back and take a look at those. This is we're going to go preview the site. So here's your step 2, come inside and learn button versus getting started, the get started button. These can be the same or they can be different. So you get to decide where the Prosperity Central marketing system directs people to when they click on either of these specific options. And that's it for our training today. Once again, Prosperity Central is here to help you boost sales and growth. It's a super simple system to configure, to set up and manage. Helps you present your opportunity. As you see now, we're starting to talk about the marketing site itself. You're going to be able to present your opportunity in a very efficient way. We help you organize your contacts so you can manage, organize, and follow up with them effectively. The price is phenomenal. We help you track your contact activities so you know who to focus on and when to focus on them. And of course, one of my favorites, building a secondary income stream using the Prosperity Central affiliate program. And then finally, we are always mobile friendly, so we are where you are as long as you have internet access. So let's talk about pricing. There is that basic account, $0. That's really for your team. It's not for you. It's for your organization, the people in your organization that want to be plugged into you and your team, but are not really ready to start building their organization. They're not truly focused on building an income with the business. Now, the professional, $24.95 a month, that's your best value. That's for everybody who's serious about building a business. It gives you the contact manager, the automated follow-up, all of the tools that they will need to be a top recruiter, a top prospector within the company. And then the premier account, that is for the leaders. That's for anybody who has an organization where you want to create and share content with people. The Premier account is a must-have for anybody who is at the second management level or higher within your company. And finally, if you don't have a Prosperity Central account, go and get one today. Go to prosperitycentral.biz. Once again, prosperitycentral.biz. That's my affiliate link. Go there, I'll get credit, and you can start configuring your account today so that you can start getting more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. Thanks again, and happy prospecting.